Hello and welcome to my video blog. Today I will show you a possibility how you can integrate the Pascal Project Manager into the welcome page of the Delphi 11.1 Alexandria. But I want to mention that this has only a beta status at the moment, and it is more a case study to see if it's interesting for you or not. So please, if you are interested to use it, then leave some comments in the commentation section. At first, go to my Hastasoft page, and here you can go to the Pascal Project Manager, and at the end of the site you have a download link. So download it and install it. There's nothing special. You can use the installation language in German or in English, and use also the program in English or German. After the installation, you have to run first the Pascal Project Manager first, because it writes an information in the INI settings program. Here is my daily using version, and after that you can install the BPL package, and you can find it in the installation folder of the program. I use here the development folder, so I use then here the component and install packages, and select the command add, and then you move, in your case, normally to the program folder. I use here in this case my developing folder, and here I select the vppm BPL file, click for open, and then the welcome plugin will be installed. It's starting in the background. Perhaps if there would be not enough place, you can use also the edit layout, and if it would be not installed directly, you can choose it from here and put it then into this area. I've already used this program here a little bit. That's the reason that you see here already some entries, but I remove it and create the situation how it was after installing the program. So that was normally be the situation at install time. And I have also integrated a possibility to take over the data from the whoopd welcome page. You can use here this button and select projects from whoopd importieren, and then click this button. It's going directly to the path where you can find the whoopd ini file. So in this case, the last possibility to use it was in Delphi Sydney, so that is the BDS folder 21, and here you simply select the whoopd.ini file, select open, and then the files that are in the whoopd folder would be imported. So when we compare this with the situation, here is the whoopd page, where are two folders, VCL and FMX, and some projects in it, and this was important here. Of course, there are many other possibilities to add projects to this section here. For example, if we select the FMX section here now, and we go to the last used projects, for example, we can also add this program here. Then I select this one. I can also select more projects to the same times if I want. So now we can do it here, and then we copy all selected project paths to the clipboard, and we're going back to here, and here we right click and choose the entry, the command add entry from clipboard. In this dialog we can select which projects should be imported here. So by default it is so that the projects will be all automatically imported without showing the dialog. If you want to see the dialog, you can deactivate this. But for the moment we do it automatically and click only for import, and you see we have the new projects here imported. And of course you can also right click here and set edit entry, and can do then here add some informations if you want. Another possibility to import projects to this list is to use a file manager or the Explorer or any program that supports drag and drop, and you simply drag and drop the project to this category where it should be inserted, for example here FMX, and then the dialog pops out and you can add some information if you want, and then click OK, and then the project is added. You can then simply open here one project in Delphi, of course, by selecting this command, or simply by double clicking. I have just double click it and then it will be opened. And you will see that the welcome page then will be adjusted in the size, but you can see it is would be helpful if it has a minimum width to work accordingly with it here. There is an additional importing information. At the moment you have to disable this option here in the Delphi welcome page to close the welcome screen after opening one project, because in this case this plugin would be then disabled and would be not longer accessible. That's a better status in the moment. I hope I can fix this later. And also one other important information: if you use this program in English, with English language, and also Delphi with English language, then you have to activate this option. Delphi uses the English IDE, and if you do it not, the plugin would be not able to open the project. You can add here own sections and subsections, and you can also simply by drag and drop move the projects to other folders. And of course you can open this also in the Pascal editor, as I mentioned before, but it's not always necessary to open it in the Pascal editor. You can also choose, for example, if you just have opened the PC database file but you want to look in another file from another project, then you can simply select this project here and go to the project files, and here you can then either open it in the Pascal editor, or you can copy simply the file name to the clipboard, and then you can go here to say and select open, pass the file name here, and then you can very fast open a unit or a form from another project. Yeah, that's it for the moment. The plugin, of course, is free. You can use it with the free version of the Pascal Project Manager and Editor. And yeah, tell me if it works in your special installation, and if you like it, or do you think it would be useful, then give me information so I can make more development on this. Bye bye.